In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now tap on this plus on the right to create a new one. Begin by setting up an hour and tapping on days of the week you wanna apply. Then click on alarm name and type in whatever you want to. Use all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable those features. And if you decided to enable any of them or all of them, click on the chosen one or chosen ones on the left. Let's start with alarm sound. Here you can adjust the volume at the bottom, and over here you can pick sound source. Like for example Spotify. After you click login to use music from it. I will go with ringtone though, so I need to tap on allow. I can manage those two switches here. And also, thanks to this plus at the top right corner, pick any song from my smartphone by tapping on it and deciding if I want to play selected highlights thanks to this switcher. Then hitting done to set it up. But I can also pick one of those melodies. Now tap on vibration if you want to, and select one of those patterns by clicking on the best one for you. You can also select silent at the very bottom. Last but not least, hit snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back. So now, after I tap on save, I can see that my new alarm was successfully created. To turn it on or switch it off, use this switcher right next to it. To make any changes, click on it, change whatever you want to, and tap on save. To delete it, hold it, and choose delete. Lastly, click on those three dots on the right next to plus icon, select settings and choose upcoming alarm notification if you want to receive notifications about upcoming alarm 5 minutes 15:30 before, or disable this feature fully by hitting off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!